Hello and welcome to another video of me, S from Gather and Create. I'm going to share this card with you today. It's using the Colourful Seasons stamp set. Stamp set also comes with coordinating dies, but I'm just going to use the stamp set straight on its own today. This leaf here, that's the only one I'm going to use from it, and sentiment. So I've got Thinking of You on here, but I think I'm going to do one with You Make Me Smile as a little change, so you can see what it looks like with a different sentiment. And a little touch of gold there, which I think works really well with the garden green and the blackberry bliss colours, and then it's on Very Vanilla, which I think gives a nice warmer look to it. But yeah, I think the gold adds a certain amount of sophistication, and I hope you do too. So let's get going without further ado. It's a very simple card and comes together nice and quickly. So let's get going with the cutting of the card first of all. Got my trimmer. Put this to one side. Don't get anything messy because I'm using Blackberry Bliss, and that is a dark colour, and I am messy, as I have explained to a few of you before already. Right, so I'm going to take this to 13.9. And then turn, and this is going to be 9.5. It's all in centimetres. I'll pop the measurements on my blog, gatheringcreate.co.uk, but the link is in the description below. And then I've already got this piece of garden green, so I'm going to take that down to 10 centimetres. So going up half a centimetre to give you the nice border against the Very Vanilla, like so. And then I've got Blackberry Bliss, which I'm going to put in at the short end, and I'm going to cut that at 10.5 all the way down, turn to the long side, and then score at 14.9, which is the middle. So that's those bits done. So I'm just going to add my piercing mat under here. That will help give me a better impression. And let's get going with the stamping. Put the garden green first. Just change direction as you're stamping. We can do sort of a little bit off the edgy types, like so. And then go in with the Blackberry Bliss. This is where I start to overthink. And I will just have, I think that's fine actually. Keep it like that, that's fine. So I'm going to stamp the sentiment now, which is You Make Me Smile. So I just need another little bit of Very Vanilla. And in with my Blackberry Bliss again. I won't go too low down because I am punching it out. So I think about there would work. And now just grab my tailored tag punch. It'll all be on the blog, so don't worry about trying to remember what I'm using. Lining that up. Okay, so that's the sentiment and the stamping done there. Let's just remove my piercing mat. close my ink pads. Okay, and then what I want to do is just grab my lovely gold sequin trim, and I'm going to take about just roughly about 16 centimeters, give or take, but for those of you who like to kind of have a good idea of how much you need, and I'm just going to grab the snail and go across the back there, and just use that to attach it. Then you can have a little play with putting it how you want it. Okay, leave that to one side for the moment, and I'm going to glue this on now, because when I start to attach the sequins, and I'll show you how to get the sequins off the roll as well in a moment, I don't want to smudge anything by anything. I mean actually the glue that I'm going to use, and move around those sequins that I've just popped on. I will have. Okay, I'll do on there, and then a little bit more. Put it on my Black Blue Bliss card base. Let's just attach that to it. Okay, it can go about there. And now I will show you how you just take a few of these sequins. In fact, I only want 3. You're just going to pull them off of the thread that they're attached to. So just, as I say, I just want 3, and I'm going to use my fine tip glue pen and pop one here, and I'm going to use my fine tip glue pen to pick it up as well. She says that normally works. And then I'll add another couple here. I think that little bit of gold makes all the difference to the card. I'll just take my piercing tool and just press it down a little bit more. And that's it. Comes together very easily for a quick and sophisticated card. All the details are on the blog. Don't forget, August is a bonus coupons month. So for every £45 you spend with me, I will give £4.50 back to spend in September. And don't forget, the autumn winter catalogue is coming out in September, so it'll be a really good time to have some extra pennies to spend on the lovely new things. Yeah, thanks ever so for watching. I hope you have a great rest of the day, and I'll see you all again soon. Take care. Bye bye.